ashtray in the armrest, smoke curling into recycled air. The stewardess smiled anyway. We didn't think of lungs. We thought of cool. Businessmen exhaled stress. Couples flirted behind Marlboros. It was just normal. Now we whisper cancer and shame what we once inhaled like confidence. I don't miss the smoke. I miss the era when imperfection didn't mean invisibility. So I keep the matchbook from that flight, that moment, before everything got clean, but hollow. The golden compass remembers the flaws we wore without apology.